Are you comfortable with the principles of LCD? Let's see. So the very first thing that we have is 5 divided by 3x minus you have this this expression. So we're going to go ahead and distribute it first. So the negative means negative 1. Negative 1 gets distributed into these two. So negative 5x and negative 1 times negative 7 is positive 7. So here if you look and see, the denominator is 3x for this term and there's nothing here. That means you need 3x in the denominator for these terms in order to do the LCD. Okay, so what I'm going to do is multiply and divide both of those two terms with 3x. So multiply, divide, multiply, divide. Okay, so now we have 3x at the denominator for all of these terms. We just go ahead and add the numerators. So now we have 3x, we put up 3x in a line, and then we have 5 minus, this is 5x times 3x is 15x squared, plus 7 times is 21x. So this is our final answer in this case. Now look, notice that we can't really simplify that any further. There are no like terms to combine, so this is going to be our final answer. Let's take a look at another example. In this case, we have different terms, a minus 2, then we have an a, and then we have a squared minus 2a. So let's break that down. A squared minus 2a is essentially a times a minus 2, because if you distribute it, you'll get the same thing, a squared minus 2a. So let's write all of our terms down. Then we need to find the LCD for all of those, the least common denominator, a minus 2, a, and a times a minus 2. So it seems like a times a minus 2 is our least common denominator, because all of these other ones divide into that. So that's the least common term that all of those will divide into. Okay. So how do we build this? The first one into this is multiply and divide with a. How do we build the a, the second term, into a, having a minus 2 in the denominator, is divide and multiply again with a minus 2. Third one, we don't need to do anything. Okay, so now now that we have the LCD established, a times a minus 2, we can put a line, and then we can add all of our numerators, which is 5a times a is 5a squared. 9 times a minus 2 is, we go ahead and distribute that in a minute, 9a minus 18, and then we have minus, remember that the minus that you see here is also going to be distributed. So minus 2a minus 18. Now we can do some combining of the like terms. We can combine this, we can combine the numbers, we can combine the a's. So we have 9a minus 2a, 7a, and then the number 9, negative 18, and negative 18, negative 36. And this is going to be our final answer, because we combine the like terms and we have the LCD, and that's the form that we want the final answer to be. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye-bye.